dear students, this is the question number 4 of exercise 5.2, where two parallel lines and a transversal is given, and with those the angles are given and some angles you need to find out. As in the first figure, you people are given L is parallel to M. So L and M are these two lines which are parallel to each other, and this T is the transversal. If these are parallel, it means all the pairs of angles that we have studied are equal and they have a relation with each other. So angle 110 degree, this was given and it was X. We need to find out. I have taken this as angle 1 because we can need it. As we know, these are vertical opposite angles, so these will be equal. So angle 1 is equals to 110 degree. You can write down reason as vertical opposite angles. Now to find out X, we can take it with the relation of angle 1. Why? Because these are angles are on the same side of transversal and these are interior. So, and such pair of angles are supplementary. Interior angles on same side of transversal. Angle 1 we have measure 110 degrees plus F. So X is 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is 70 degrees. Similarly, in your next figure, again L is parallel to M given, and A is also a transversal, B is the another transversal. We need to find out value of X. It means we do not need B over here, we can just find out with the X. If you see this figure like this, if these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal, these two angles are top right triangles. Top right means these are the corresponding pair, L shaped. So it can be solved in a single line. Here X is already equal to 100 degrees because these are corresponding angles. Fine. Try question number 5 yourself. I'll just explain figure that is based on this concept only. You people are given figure in this way. This angle is given to you for question number 5. You have to find this angle, then this angle, and these lines are parallel to each other, these lines are parallel to each other. Just extend them in this way. Sorry, my figure is rough. So these will also be a corresponding angles. If it is 70 degree, it will also become 70. Then these are again corresponding angles. It will again be 70 degree. You need to write down reasons and write in a proper way. Thank you.